Live from Southwest Florida's news source, this is Fox 4 News at 10.
I don't think she should be off the hook altogether.
But she is. Prosecutors dropping the charges against Royetta Plazewski, even though surveillance video shows her grabbing kids by their hair and their throats at a Lee Health daycare in Cape Coral.
Here's what might really shock you, though. We found Florida law could let your kid's daycare worker off the hook for the same exact thing, putting their hands on your kids. 4 in Your Corner investigator Tony Sadiku finding out the legal reason for the surprising outcome in this case. Tony?
The state's attorney telling me the law protects daycare workers when it comes to how they discipline your kids. I spoke with a parent of one of the children today. He told me he's ultimately frustrated by the decision. It's a decision that has many parents confused. This report details the allegations of abuse at this Cape Coral daycare. Children grabbed and pulled by the hair, grabbed by the arm, and by the throat. The parents of one of the children didn't want to go on camera, but tells me they can't believe the state won't prosecute the former daycare worker, Royetta Plazewski, originally charged with abusing their child. Other parents say they don't understand why she would be off the hook.
I don't think she should be off the hook altogether. No, I think she should have some discipline.
It's an odd situation.
Lee Health fired Plazewski from the Cape Child Development Center last month. She was later arrested by Cape Coral police on 2 charges of child cruelty.
I wouldn't want them doing that to my child.
Now, prosecutors say their hands are tied from a legal perspective because daycare workers and others acting in place of a parent are protected by Florida law and are allowed to impose reasonable physical discipline for bad behavior. This despite the families choosing to press charges.
They need to inform the parents. They're the ones that should be doing the disciplining.
In a statement, a spokesperson at Lee Health says even though the charges have been dropped, the former employee won't be eligible for rehire, saying our standards for employee behavior are high and we will not tolerate conduct that violates the trust of those in our care. The state's attorney says for the prosecution to go forward, they'd have to prove unreasonable physical discipline and physical injury. In this case, neither child was injured. Reporting in the studio, Tony Sadiku, Fox 4 in Your Corner.